Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you through the process of removing your Adobe Express account. Whether you are switching to different platform or simply cleaning up your accounts, it's important to know how to delete your Adobe Express account. Let's get started. First, open the Adobe Express app on your device. Alternatively, you can visit the Adobe Express website in your web browser. In the app, navigate to your account settings. This is usually done by tapping on profile icon or accessing the menu options. On the website, log into your account and navigate to your account settings. Once you are into your account settings, look for option to remove or delete your account. This may be labeled as delete account or close account or something similar. Click on the account removal option and follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with deleting your account. You may be asked to provide a reason for deleting your accounts or to confirm your decision. Now we will have to choose the reason why we want to delete the account. Click on I have multiple accounts and click on continue. Scroll to the bottom and then tick yes, I understand the terms and conditions above and want to permanently delete this Adobe account. You can check out all the things listed in here. Then after that you can click on that and click confirm. Once your account removal request is submitted, you may receive a confirmation email from Adobe Express. This email may contain additional instructions or information about the account removal process. Verify that your Adobe Express account has been successfully removed by attempting to log in. If you are unable to log in, it's a sign that your account has been deleted. So we will just try to log in, go back and then check the account. There you go. So we will just log in here. Write your email address that you have provided before for Adobe Express. We will click on continue. So now it is asking if we want to retrieve the Adobe account. So we will just cancel. This confirm that the removal has already been submitted. And there you have it. Removing your Adobe Express account is straightforward process, but it's important to consider your decision carefully as it may impact your access to Adobe services. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.